What's going on, everybody? This is Jordan with Conquer Trading and Investing. In this video, we're going to take a look here at the S&P 500. Tomorrow is non-farm payrolls. That's coming out on Thursday, the first Friday of the month. Normally is when non-farm payrolls come out. It's going to be out tomorrow. That is really what the market is looking forward. You've noticed that the market is basically falling a little bit still during this holiday shortened week. Right now, we could see the S&P 500 is into this resistance at 31.23. It also coincides with the resistance of this trend line over here, cloned from the bottom. It's that cloned trend line that price has been following over here. And you could see that right now, a lot of traders are completely neutral out of the S&P 500. That's the place you want to be right now. What happens tomorrow? Well, expect some volatility. Expect some volatility with the release of the numbers. Ultimately, I think that we have a good, strong chance of going ahead and being able to take out this resistance here at 31.23 and then going ahead and working our way upwards going into the July 4th weekend. I think that's probably what price is going to do. Now, there is the chance over here that price does hold in this resistance, starts making lower lows on the 8-hour time frame. What do? Do you take that trade? Listen, you know, there is the possibility that tomorrow's non-farm payroll numbers could spark some type of market reaction if it were to the downside. Do I think that it's a good idea getting short the indices going into a 3-day holiday weekend? Probably historically, that's not the right thing to do. Generally, it is a weekend where we see risk on, even though you could have a short trigger over here. You could have a short trade trigger, and that could go on actually down to test the 333 support level, the trend line support that will be coming up over there. It could test the 3033 support level for sure. But is that a trade that you want to take? Not myself. I'm, I think you should be neutral right now, waiting to see tomorrow's non-farm payroll. Would I be surprised to see us break above the 31.23? No, I think that's probably what happens going into the weekend, but we'll see. We'll see it whether or not that happens or we do trade to the downside. Right now, right here of this video today, of this conversation, is the fact that we are looking at a shortened holiday week. Tomorrow is Thursday, the last day of trading. It's not the time, and this week was really not the time for trading. This is actually the first week since December where I did not take a trade, and I didn't go into the week thinking that was going to happen. Actually, I went into the week really prepared for Monday, Tuesday, hungry for opportunity, and the markets have been consolidating. We saw early on, we saw yesterday that the markets were consolidating and looking forward to Thursday's non-farm payroll. That's happening again today. You don't belong in any type of position. You really have 6 more weeks. You have 6 more weeks here of the summer. And during those 6, I say 6 and not 8 because the last 2 weeks of August are just simply not for trading at all. But you have 6 weeks here to really prepare yourself for the fall, for when we're going to see definitely the markets are live. You have 6 weeks to really get serious and work on your trading. I hope that these videos do help you do that. That's why they are shared. Tomorrow is Thursday for non-farm payroll. We'll be live streaming. We'll be live streaming the New York session. And then after that, I hope everyone has a great weekend.